What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips to help you save money this Black Friday. So the first tip I have for you is to shop online. First of all, you don't want to be outside in the cold weather, spending the night and doing all that crazy stuff if people are still even doing that. But when you shop online, you save more money. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, you've heard me mention in videos previously about Rakuten, Retail Me Not, and Honey. So Rakuten and Retail Me Not are cashback sites, and you get cash back for nothing. It doesn't cost anything to sign up. In fact, you actually right now get $40 for signing up. We'll both get $40 if you sign up. I'll show you that in a second. But what these places do is, as long as you click their link, so let's go to Lowe's. Lowe's is a good one. So we go to Lowe's and it's going to pop up when you download their little apps. You see Rakuten is pulsating right now. And it's showing you, boom, activate 2% cash back. We just click that. It's going to tell you, hey, you're on your way to 2% cash back. And that's it. Now you just shop at Lowe's like normal and you get 2% cash back. It's all automatic. Boom, right there. Now, earlier I filmed this whole video and I was rudely interrupted, so I had to redo it. But as I was doing it, a little notification popped up on my screen and said, hey, you just earned, I don't know how much money it was, back from a purchase I just made on eBay 2 days ago, okay? So it works really well, it's seamless, and it's free. And coming here to my big fat check history, we can see how much I've been paid in the past. My lifetime cash back is $201.35, and I've been a member since 2018. I really didn't start using it till like 2020 though. But yeah, so $201.35 there, and they send you a check, or I think that they'll pay you through PayPal. You get to choose. Going over to Retail Me Not, look at my rewards here. See, I have some stuff pending from Best Buy and Lenovo, and I have lifetime rewards of $199.83. So $400. And same thing, I started using this in 2020, right when the pandemic started. So yeah, $400 savings. So it doesn't cost you anything. Shop online. The last reason I want to say it's good to shop online, and it's going to blend into the next thing, is it saves your receipts. So if I were to go to Home Depot and just buy something with cash, they'll give me a little paper receipt. But if I want to return that thing later on, it's going to be a problem because I probably lost that receipt. Somehow, between walking out of the door and getting to the car, I don't know what happens to the receipts, but I lose them. And so I'll be stuck with store credit, and you can only do that but so many times. But if you buy online, you have a whole outline of everything you ever purchased. And we see my stuff going back here. Well, how far does it go back? Of all time. So buy online and you'll always have a receipt. All right, so that moves us on to the next thing, and that next thing is use a credit card. So giving you an example of why you should use a credit card. Pause. Going back. Look at this. So the $40. So if you sign with Rakuten, I invite you to use my referral link. You have to use the referral link though. If you don't use my referral link, you won't get this money. You use my referral link, you join, you spend $40, which you'll probably do this week, and then you get $40. Easy peasy, all right? We both get $40, so use the link. It helps us both. It's a win-win situation. Don't be so greedy that you lose money, okay? So anyway, or selfish rather. Don't be so selfish you end up losing money. So anyway, going back to the credit card. So I bought something from Home Depot. If you saw my video about the bandsaw deal, I went back to return my battery. Now, I tried to return the battery the day I got it. I was pressed for time, and the dude was trying to scan a receipt, and he was having issues. He was new. So I just said, don't worry about it, dude. I'll just come back. So I will go back. I had to pick up my drywall screwdriver, and I decided to return the batteries at the same time, and I just used my receipt. He said, do you have the, I used my credit card. He said, do you have the receipt? I said, no, but I have my card. He said, all right, swipe the card. Swipe the card, he scanned the item, and boom, it just popped up. No problems. And he said, oh, you're going to get $80-something back. I said, all right, cool. He hits okay, goes down right back to my car, and we're good. I don't have to carry around pieces of paper, storing them, trying to figure out where stuff is. And even for taxes, later on when I would go to deduct this stuff, It's all right there in my Home Depot back office. I just go on there and download the receipt, and I'm good money. So use a credit card. Another reason why you want to use a credit card is because those often, to piggyback on Retail Me Not and Rakuten, offer cash back as well. I know cards like Capital One Ventures and Chase Sapphires. I got cash back up to 5% sometimes, especially with the Discover It. Like it has periods where they'll give you up to 5% cash back on all your purchases. But yeah, they'll mostly give you cash back, and then they have other perks like warranty extension. So if you bought like a tablet and it came with a 1 year warranty, it would extend it an extra year. Or if it came with a 2 year warranty, it would extend it up to 2 years, depending on the card. And when you got it, mine matches what it was. So if it was 2 years, it's gonna give me an extra 2 years, but it would only go up to like 3 years. So if I got a 5 year warranty or something, I end up with an 8 year warranty. It's crazy. But you have to use the card. So use the card for stuff like that. You get extra perks. All right. And I'll make a video later on of some of the good cards. I just mentioned a few, but some of the better cards to actually apply for. Never apply for like store cards, like Home Depot stuff is okay because it extends it a year, but like Macy's cards and stuff like that, Walmart cards, you don't want to do that. Get you something better. All right, so moving on to tip number 3, and that is do your research. You want to do your research before you just hop online and start shopping, because you will spend all your money. If you don't have an idea and a plan of action of knowing what you're looking for, you say, look, I'm going to look for a brad nailer. I'm going to get me a brad nailer for Black Friday, and that's it. Good. So you're just searching for brad nailers, and if you don't find one, you didn't get one. If you do find one, great. But you're not just looking, I'm just going to go to Home Depot, or I'm just going to go to Walmart and look around. Nah, you're going to end up spending all your money because you're going to see deals that aren't really deals. And while we're talking about said brad nail, let's check this out. And this kind of piggyback on what I'm going to talk about next. This brad nailer right here is $2.99. You see Black Friday savings. Hold on to that. So anyway, you want to research. You want to know what features you need and whatever thing, if it's a tablet, if it's a phone, if it's a laptop. So you want to be armed with what you know you need so you don't end up overspending because someone upsold you. All right? Or just flat out lie, which leads us to number 4, and that's use honey. Now, I haven't been paid by any of these people or anything. I wish I was. Hey, honey, you could pay me. But they just work. So let's look at this brad nailer here. We go click honey, and we see price history, and we see that there's a 7% price increase. Now look though, it says Black Friday savings, but it's a price increase, not decrease. And I know because I've really been looking for brad nails. I've been wanting this Milwaukee. It was on sale the end of last year, and I didn't get it. But okay, wait a minute. See, honey look like they might come through. It's saying $249 right now. I go click that. Last updated 33 minutes ago. Let's see. Oh, this is part of Buy More, Save More. See, that's gone. That's from last year. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. This is turning into a whole nother video. I'm going to put that on pause real quick. But if we go back and we look at the other listing, it's 2 listings on Home Depot. This is amazing. So we look at this list, it says $2.99. And then we go here and we see, I just found a whole new use for honey, live, okay? And we see that it's been $270, it's been $270. It's obviously, this says $277, but it's been $279 all year, except for in January. But yeah, it's been $279. And for Black Friday, they raised the price $20, which is 7% according to honey. But honey just showed me right here, look, this. Let's just see if this is real. Let's really see if this is real. We're going to do tool only. Okay, pause. This is a crown stapler. Forget I said any of that. It's not a brad nailer. So anyway, that's another thing. Make sure you look and read. Again, research. Look and read. Pay attention. So use honey for stuff like that, because otherwise, if I was just looking for a brad nailer and hadn't done my research, I wouldn't have known that thing was actually not on sale, but it was an oversale. They raised the price. So moving on, the final thing is shop at big box stores. Now, I'm a small business owner myself, so I'm obviously an advocate for shopping with small business owners. However, during the holiday season, most of us are buying gifts for people, or even if we're getting things for ourselves, we might not get to use the thing immediately. So during this time, we have extended return windows. Generally, everyone has a 90-day return window. Home Depot and Lowe's, I don't know that they extend their return windows because it's always 90 days. And you generally get that when you're shopping at big box retailers. Small business owners, we try and give you like 14 days if we can to return, but mostly it's 30 days, especially if you sell online. They force you to do 30 days. But you don't get the same type of return service that you would get at a big box store. Plus, during this season, big box stores, I'm going to give you the brief history of what Black Friday is all about. It's all about these stores getting tax deductions. That's what they do it at the end of the year. So they look at their books at the end of the year and say, oh man, we're going to owe this much in tax. Let's discount some of these items so we can write off the difference. So let's say let's talk about the Brad Nailer again. They've sold the Brad Nailer for $299 this year, and then for Black Friday they discounted it to $150. Right now, that's half off. But for every Brad Nailer that they sell for $150, they can write off the difference between the $299 and the $150. So they can write off $149 per unit that they sell. So this is why big corporations mark down things, and sometimes to too good to be true prices. Yeah, it may seem that way to us, but they've actually done very well throughout the year, and to get some tax deductions and to bring some customers back to make them happy. It's a win-win situation for them. So they discount stuff, they end up deducting it on their taxes, and they've hooked you as a customer because you think, man, they get stuff cheap, but really it was for their, tax benefit. But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope that these tips were helpful. Hopefully they help you save some money. Don't forget to sign up for Rakuten and Retail Me Now. We don't get anything for signing up for Retail Me Now, unfortunately, but use both because some stores, they have better deals. Like right now, Rakuten is 2% at Lowe's, but Retail Me Now has nothing. But sometimes Retail Me Now have like 10% cash back at Lowe's. So you want to have both up to see which one is going to give you the better deal. So make sure you get both. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.